Today we are going to discuss about equipment inspection checklist. What could be the hazards and what precautions to be taken? Hazard number 1. Using equipment with visible damage. Check equipment condition before use. Hazard number 2. Failure of worn-out parts. Inspect and replace defective parts. Hazard number 3. Loose bolts or connections. Tighten all fittings properly. Hazard number 4. Lack of proper maintenance. Follow regular maintenance schedule. Hazard number 5. Missing safety guards. Ensure all guards are in place.